Good morning, India. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Raj Singh and I'm a solo backpacker. And I'm here in Pa'an, leaving from Pa'an today. I stayed last night at the Su Brothers 2 guest house, which is kind of really nice. What I paid was $9, roughly around $9. I did the booking.com, but you can use agoda.com and booking.com. I'll put the link below so you can check out the prices. Some of where, you have to pay. Some places you don't have to use your credit cards. I personally don't like to use credit cards so that, since I'm traveling for long, I don't have to pay time and again. But you can check out whichever way suits you. It's good for you. But now I'm gonna leave Pan and heading towards a new destination, a new country. You know what it is. So be tuned. We're gonna have more information flowing in for a new country, a new destination. Till then, keep watching. Kind of roads that you see out here, you won't be able to imagine the kind of roads that are getting built in Myanmar. And this is Asian Highway 1, which connects to Thailand at the Mae-sot border, Myaudi. Let's check it out yourself. Nice roads. So finally, I'm heading towards Thailand. That is the gate. We're gonna go for immigration and see how it works out. I don't have a visa on me. I'm still relying on what the news was spread out that Indians would have a free, visa fee exemption. And I'm on my way. Let's find it out. So that's my Indian passport. Here we are. We're gonna find out. So we just got stamped on the passport exiting Myanmar. 2 weeks already. It was fun to be in Myanmar. Vlogs would be up soon, surely. And now we are heading to the embassy of Thailand. Let's see what is there on our name, my name, if I'm gonna get the visa exemption or not. Wait and watch.
We are at the Turkish border. The lines of trucks, it's maybe 5 or 6 kilometers.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're all waiting for the border control.
So this is part of Thailand. Right after crossing the border, it says stuck immigration. We have the king's photograph out there, the Thai flag out there, here as well. The traffic changes once you enter into Thailand. It's not the usual way that you have in Myanmar. It's similar to what you have in India. Guys, this is official. I'm heading to the immigration at Mae-sot border. Let's see how it works out for me, because I don't have a visa. I'm still relying on the fact that we have a visa-free policy. So this is official right now. The visa exemption fee is valid for the Indians, but this is only valid for 15 days till January 13th. In case you want to see how it looks like, yeah, there you go. Visa exemption, but not good for 15 days. Should have been at least a month. We'll talk about more details, how you do it, and what all requirements they ask, what all things they ask on the way. Not out here. We are at the border. I don't want to get screwed. So I'm at the bus station at the Mae-sot, and there's a shop nearby. And I'm taking internet connection for 1 month. It says 150 baht, which is 300 rupees unlimited internet. And pretty much nice. I paid 150-60 rupees for limited internet in Myanmar, and this is good. I'm taking AIS, which is so this is AIS SIM card, which is valid for 30 days. and unlimited internet I can use, and it's a 4G speed at the rate of 4 Mbps. And yeah, I paid 150 baht, which is 300 rupees for unlimited internet. I don't get any local calls, right? No local calls.
No.
Okay, so it's no local call that I get, no nothing. It's only the 4G internet at the rate of 4 Mbps that I'll be getting. It's roughly around 6:15 p.m. Thailand time, which is somewhere around 1 hour 15 minutes ahead of India. And yeah, I'm trying to hitchhike to Sukhothai, and it's been almost like 15-20 minutes. I haven't received any ride, although a couple of people do stop by, but none of the people were going at that way. So I'll try to see if I can find somebody who can take me to Tak. This says I'm going to Tak, and from Tak I'll see if I can go to Sukhothai today, and let's see what happens.